Yeah, here's one more puppy, 6 weeks old, doing really well.
You do not cry.
Yeah, we're hoping to get some updated weights on them, but they're all growing and doing great, and they really like their food, which I'll put a picture of the food they're eating on the website so new owners can check that out. And just a fun little group. Oh, what a good girl. Yes, that's a good girl. So yeah, that's Natasha, purple, and Kep, orange, Boris, red, and Phoebe, the little stinker, blue.
Isn't she purple and that one's blue?
Is okay, sorry.
Why are you
That's
crying?
Phoebe, that's Natasha. We don't remember their colors.